Test, test. All right, so this is the instruction video for adding a voiceover in Premiere Pro to a video. So first thing you want to do is make sure the playhead is where you want the audio to begin. And usually we use this on a still image. So I've got a still image here. And hang on. And make sure nothing is to the right on the video track because you'll see in a minute the reason why is we don't know how long your voiceover is going to be, and we want to make sure that the image shows long enough to cover the voiceover. So all you got to do is, when you're ready, is to click on this microphone icon and begin to record your voiceover. So you're going to get a countdown. Test, test, test. This is a test of how to do a voiceover. When you're done, click the microphone icon. Okay, so there it is. So you can see that it runs past the end of the video track. So you're just going to go to the end of that and drag that all the way to the left to match the width of the audio track below. I don't know if that's quite there yet. Right about there. All right. And that's it. And then you bring your next picture in and make sure your scrubber is where it needs to be to begin your voiceover on the next one. That's all you got to do. Good luck.